Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2024 Toyota RAV4 XLE in silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 909958.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.